Hey guys, it's Tiffany
And I'm JJ.
from Tiffany and JJ TV, also known as T and J TV. So today we will be making a styrofoam slime. So for this video you will need glue, paint is wanted, activator, mixer tool, container, and styrofoam. So let's get started. So first we got our glue, our container, and our mixer tool. So first we're gonna start add our glue into our container. Okay. You can add how much you want once you think that's about enough. Okay. Close. Now I'll be getting my coloring. You can use food dye, whatever color you want. I'm using this green. I'm gonna do a light color from Walmart. Okay. Add a dot in there, a little color. You can add how much once you get the color that you want. I wanted this a light color green. Now you can start activating. For my activator, I use Elmer's Magical Liquid. Okay, and a little at a time. So I'm gonna keep on adding activating to here. Every once in a while, you can probably feel it to see if it's ready to start kneading. And see, it's not right now. Okay. So, once you think it's ready to start kneading, you can remove it from the container and start playing with it. If you need a little bit more activator, add more activator in there. Okay. Start back mixing. Some of my videos get tore out from in the camera. That is. It's a little sticky, so I probably need a little bit more activator. So I'm gonna add some more in here. Based on how big your slime is, that's the color that you have to do the styrofoam. And as you can see, okay. So now we gotta keep on mixing it until we get a perfect texture to it. You can add whatever you want into your slime. Once you think it is perfect, you can add your styrofoam in there. If there's extra slime left in the container, you can just scrape that out. And put on to the slime that you got already perfect enough for you. Put it to the. So now we're gonna start mixing it in here. It might deactivate a little bit, but you can always add more activator to it if it does. If it's a little too stiff, just add some lotion to it, okay? And I think it's now time to start just adding our styrofoam in here. So I got this big styrofoam block. If it's too big, you always break it off, okay? Based on how your slime is. This is the size slime, and this is our styrofoam. So I'm gonna break a little bit off, so this is too much for this slime. Okay. This will be enough for it. So what you're gonna do now is, you're gonna get your slime and you're gonna place it on top of the styrofoam. Next thing to do is start poking the styrofoam to break it up into mini balls. Okay, you're gonna have to start breaking it up. Okay, might look a little messy, but then after a while you finish breaking all the pieces up, it'll become a great slime. almost done. You can add more glue to your slime if you want to. Styrofoam a little bit hard to break up when you're doing slime, so it's gonna take a little while to do. So once you think you is done breaking it up,
like this, sis? Stop, stop, stop.
ignore my brother. So now the slime can be a little bit messy now when we add styrofoam into it. So just keep on kneading until it becomes perfect. Okay, adding styrofoam to slime is not an easy job at all. And if your slime is too little for what you had added in there, you can always take some styrofoam balls out, or you can make it bigger by adding glue to it. So right now the styrofoam kind of make it breaking a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit more glue to this so it make it bigger, because the styrofoam really making this slime not acting good at all. I don't know why. Put your slime in there. You can add more. Okay. I ain't gonna add a lot in there. It might deactivate your slime, but if it do, don't worry about it. You can always reactivate it. Probably want to go in with your hands since the styrofoam is actually in there. It's okay, you get it on your hands. You can always wash your hands later. Okay. So okay. There's still a couple of chunks in here. But like I said, it's gonna take a while to break the chunks up for it to get perfect. This can be used as a stress ball and stuff. Like if you want good texture to your hands, styrofoam slime is probably a good slime to do. Just squeeze it a lot, and it can feel like a good texture. Okay. And it's a super pretty color. You can add scent lotion to anything if you want to, if you think the slime needs it right now. Okay, I am very happy with the color. If you want this bigger, this too small for you, you can always add extra glue to it. Okay. Probably do this over the container so it won't break and stuff. Okay. Can you please stop messing with my hair, please? Thank you. Okay. Now, okay. The glue part will make it sticky and stuff, but I like the slime. I like it. Sometimes still styrofoam slime can actually be good because then it make a stress ball and be good to squeeze it. Yeah, so. And it's very fun to play with. So this is our slime. for today. I like to stretch slime slow because you get that really good satisfying feel. It's very pretty of a green color. So I hope y'all guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So bye bye.